one more program. When generate a program using Mastercam for the component to be machined as shown in the sketch. So the sketch is here, which you need to create. So this will going to be done by using the Mastercam software. To do that, first go to machine type, click on lathe, click on default. Then we are going to create the model. First we are going to go for a line and then type 0, 0, 0. And from here, we're going to take the diameter is 15. So here at this point, if you see this diameter is 15. So it seems from the center, it will be 7.5. Then angle 90 degrees. Then to this, we will going to have 45, 55, 70, 80. So you go to Xform and go to offset. Take the distance as 80. So from here, you offset this distance and go to fit. And then go to line and draw a line from end point of this to end point of this. So here, now we will take the diameter of 28. So go to offset, go to Xform, offset, take the distance as 14. And from here, you offset this and right click. And go to extend, select this and extend till here. Then we have a offset of 10 mm along the length. So go to offset, Xform, offset, take the distance as 10 and then offset this line till here. Then go to trim, trim this line, extend beyond this. Now we have the diameter, so the length of offset is 15 and diameter is 18. So go to Xform, offset, take the diameter as 9. 18 mm diameter, so the radius is 9. Then go to offset, take the distance as 15. So you take the distance as 15 and offset it here. Then go to Xform, go to trim, trim this line till here. And now go to arc, so go to here, create arc 3 points. So we'll create arc by arc endpoints. So we take endpoint of this to endpoint of this. So the radius being 20. So you type radius 20 here. So we want to retain the bottom portion. So remove the top. Then from here, we have a distance of 10 mm. So go to offset. So first we're going to trim this line, or you delete this entire thing. Now we will go to offset and take the distance as 10. So go to Xform, offset, take the distance as 10. And from here you offset by 10 mm. And then offset. So you take 10 mm diameter. So it will be 5. Go to offset and then go to trim. Trim this line till here and trim this line till here. Once you get this, now it is pitch to mm, so it is 18 mm pitch. So here we have 18 mm pitch. So go to offset, Xform, offset, take the distance as 9. So from here you take this, and then you have a thread of 35 mm length. So go to offset, take the distance as 35, and from here you offset it. And go to trim, trim this line till here and trim this line till here. Then we have the diameter as 15. From here to here it is 15. So go to Xform, take the distance as 15. 15 means the diameter is 15. So you take it as 7.5. 7.5. Then select this and offset it. So go to trim. Trim this line till here and trim this line till here. Similarly, you trim this line till here and you trim this line till here, and then you erase this entire line. So this is how you will be able to create the model. Now we will go for the settings and operation. So to do that, first we'll go to properties. So properties and files. So go to tool settings. So go to from material, go to stock setup, enable left spindle and say properties. Then here make from 2 points. You take this end point and tilt to this end point. Then go to use margin and say OD margin as 2, right margin as 15 and the left margin as 5. And the left margin as 5. So once we set this, go to right tick and come down to check jaws. Again click on properties. Go to OD number 1. So you select this and go to from stock. So take the grip length as 2. Then click on the right tick and again you click on this right tick. So this will be your settings. So go to tool paths, click on finish, click on facing. Click on right tick. So we want T01, 01 or 0.2 route 80 degrees. So click on feed rate mm per minute. Then click on face parameters. And then click on rough step over. Enable rough step over and make it 0.5. Click on right tick. So now the facing operation will be done. Once you do that, then go for the click on tool paths. Click on rough. Click on partial weight. Click on this line. So you then click on this and click on this. You take it straight. And go to this and click on OK. Then once you get this, so you have the T01 or 1.5. Then lathe rough parameters. So you come down to lathe rough parameters and make the depth of cut. Every time the depth of cut should be retrieved by 0.5. And then click on right tick. So this is how the roughing operation will going to take place. Once you do that, again go to tool paths, click on finish. Then click on chain partial and click on weight. Select the point of the contour as this. Again you take up straight and this straight and this straight and click on OK. Then again you take R.8 55 degrees. You select on this and feed rate as mm per minute. Then enter the feed rates as 0.25 and click on finish parameters and click on finish step over as 0.5 and take the number of passes as 2 and click on OK. So once you complete this, then go to tool paths, click on groove, click on right tick, click on partial weight, click on this and click on this. OK. Then take T41, click T47, click on groove parameters, click on T47, groove narrow, click on rough parameters, stock amount leaving X, OK, Z is 0.2, OK. Click on groove finish parameters, number of finish passes as 2, finish step over as 0.5, stock leaving X is 0 and the stock leaving in Z is 0. So click on right tick. So now the grooving operation has been done. Then to do the threading operation, go to tool paths, click on thread. Then T93 0 OD left, 93 or 0.144 OD thread left. OK. Click on thread shape parameters. Click on start point as 0, that is minus 10. Start point as minus 10 because it's here inside. Then the end position as minus 45. Enable mm per thread. enable per thread, change the lead to, so here lead to 2, so thread cut parameter lead to 2, that is the pitch what is to 2, and click on select from table. Then thread table, then click on the basic measure diameter is 18. So from here you take basic 18, 16.3760, and comment is fine. Click on right tick to clear the dialog box. Click on right tick to lathe thread parameters. So now the operation has been done. Then to simulate and click verify selected operations. So now we will go for post selected operations. So select all these things and click on OK and type 1 in C and click on right tick and then say yes. So this is the automatic generation of a program of saying M and G codes. Once you get this, so now this is the data which will going to be fed to the system or to the machine so that it will going to do the operation. Once you do that, then go to the verified selected operation, click on this. So now we go for, you reduce the speed of simulation and then go for mission. So the machining has been done. Now actually the facing is happening. Now the second operation is the roughing operation has been done now. So the roughing tool is machining the rough profile. Then now the finishing operation of this, of the profile has been taken place. Now the gluing operation has been done. After that we'll go for the threading operation. So this is how the threading operation does. So this will going to be the final position. So now to view it in isometric, so we can use it also in the isometric. So this is how you will be able to solve this problem.